Hi friends! Welcome back to another episode in baking series of Nangai's Adventure. Today I'm baking vegetarian vanilla sponge cake.
Wow!
Now let's have a look at the ingredients. Before that, let me remind you to use your measurement cups and spoons to measure your ingredients. Refer to description for the list of ingredients. 1 3/4 cups of unbleached multi-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of salt. 3/4 cup of refined sugar. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. 1/3 cup of olive oil or any vegetable oil. 1 cup of milk. Then all that's left is a mixing bowl, whisk, spoon and a lined and oiled baking pan. Start by preheating the baking oven at 180 degrees Celsius. In a large mixing bowl, combine flour, baking soda, baking powder and salt. Give the mixture a good whisk before adding the rest of the ingredients. It's important to make sure the rising agents are well combined with the flour. Then continue to add the other ingredients in any order. I am adding sugar, milk, vinegar, vanilla essence and finally the oil. Now whisk all the ingredients. The mixture must get to a nice even texture like this. It shouldn't be too liquidy or lumpy. Then pour the mixture into the prepared lined and oiled baking pan. Transfer the filled pan to the preheated oven and bake for 30 to 40 minutes until the cake turns golden brown and your cake tester comes out clean. Leave the baked cake on the cooling rack before decorating it. For cake decoration, I'm using icing sugar and sprinkles. First, dust the icing sugar on the cake by using a sieve. Then use a spoon to sprinkle the sprinkles on the dusted cake. Ta-da! Look at my beautiful vegetarian vanilla sponge cake! Now it's time to taste my cake. I just love my vanilla cake. It tastes so good. Try this recipe at home. You may like it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel Nangai's Adventure. Bye! See you in the next video.